welcome back to another episode of Oopy Soup Kitchen. Today we are, oh, hi there, Miss Fairy Pants. Would you like to show our viewers what you've been up to? So today we are at the campground, don't touch, and we are gonna try our hand at some mountain pies. There's probably a million different recipes for how you can make mountain pies. Let's not do that because you have glitter. Okay. We are going to kind of wing it because that's just what we do. So we're going to be making pizza mountain pies. You can't sit on me because I'm doing a video right now. You can't sit on me, and you can't touch because you have sparkles all over you. So I have all my ingredients here. And in just a minute, sparkles. In just a minute, we're gonna get started, but I think I need to reposition myself so that I am not baking in the sun. So we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, this is just a little bit better. I'm not staring into the sun. So these mountain pies are just a very few simple ingredients. We've got some regular white bread that has some sparkles on it, courtesy of my assistant. We have some just pizza sauce, butter. Definitely want spray for your pie iron, that's what they're called. We've got some Italian style, oh, my chair's breaking. Oh dear. Oh dear. This has happened before, and by the end of this video I might be on the ground because it's ripping. Anyway, Italian style cheese, pepperonis. I got some garlic powder, pepper flakes, and Italian seasoning just to add some flavor. I don't actually poop in my pants. So you can use whatever seasonings you want, whatever toppings. You can use onions, peppers, mushrooms, pineapple and ham, however you feel you want to make yours. I just want to be simple because I'm really, really hungry, and I've been waiting for my dad, who took a really long time. So, step one is that we want to butter, like, I'll let you put the toppings on. Just like you make, wait, no, that's not right. That's not right, sorry. This is what happens when you don't follow a recipe. I can't butter the outside of the bread because if I butter the outside of the bread, it's going to be all over the table.
If I butter the bread, it'll be over.
I thought I had to put butter on the outside of the bread, but I think that's just the spray. Okay, so we're not, this might be a disaster, guys. You know, it might be, like the pickle episode. We'll see. We're in this together. I don't know what's going to happen. So I am going to take this spoon because this is what I'm thinking I need to do. And I'm gonna make like just a little bread canyon.
Canyon?
Yeah, canyon. We're gonna,
What's a canyon?
it's like a place where it goes down inside. You're gonna end up with sparkles in your eyeballs. You're definitely getting a bath tonight for sure. Okay, so I put little dimples into my bread. Then my assistant's gonna take
Butter?
this and just put some spoonfuls into the bread. Okay, put one in each side for fun. Okay, now do one more spoonful on the other side. Great job. Now let me see it. Just a little bit more. I like saucy pizza.
I like saucy pizza too.
So we're just gonna add.
Is that pepperoni sauce?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought it was.
And I really don't know like what your ratio should be here because again, I am not using any kind of recipe whatsoever. I am just winging it. We're winging it, friends, winging it. All right, that looks pretty saucy. So I think maybe I'll add my seasonings now. Okay, so we're gonna do some garlic. See those holes? We're gonna just sprinkle some garlic powder. No, yep, there you go. Try not to get it like in the sauce. Okay, you and you're putting the seasonings all in one spot. That's gonna be one garlicky piece. This one, go easy because this is the hot peppers. It's actually not really coming out at all. Okay. And then we've got our Italian seasoning. Ooh, hold on, that lid's coming off. Okay, Italian seasoning. And there's already seasonings in the sauce, but you know, I like things. Okay, great, great, great. Okay, so we've seasoned and sauced. Now we're gonna do some cheese. We're gonna sprinkle some cheese on there. Just not that much, not that much. Not that, okay, less than that, okay. Okay, that's great, thank you. So now we've got tons of cheese. Now we're just gonna plop a couple of our pepperonis.
Can I do the pepperonis?
Stick a couple in there. We'll do 2 on each side.
2 on each side?
So now put 2 on the other side. Fantastico! So we now have 2 pieces of bread that have been sauced, cheesed, and pepperonied. Now, this is the part where I'm really unsure about this. So I've kind of created myself this little area. And I have my handy dandy pie iron. And I am going to liberally spray inside. Are you eating cheese right now? You're lactose intolerant. Okay, so like I have a lot of spray in there.
Can I have a piece of cheese?
Not right now.
After
Now I am gonna smoosh my bread pieces in there.
my plate.
Now camera guy, you might have to move the camera so that they can actually see what's happening. Ew, my hands are black. I need a napkin. Can you see it? Can you guys see it? If not, leave a message in the comments for the camera guy to do a better job next time. Okay, so I'm gonna carefully, what if I should go fast or slow? Look at that. Got it all shut up there. We're gonna latch it up. And now we are gonna transition over to our fire. Now, I think instead of going in the fire, I think I'm gonna try doing it over the fire on the grate. So I'm gonna do it over the grate here because I have found that when I try to do it in the actual coals that they get super, super burnt and the insides aren't done. So while that's going a second, I'm just gonna wipe my hands. Okay, we're gonna give this thing a little flippity-dippity. It's been like 2 minutes, I'd say. And I may, when I take this off for the first time, it may not be done yet. I really, again, I'm winging it, no clue. So I'm gonna give that like another 2 minutes. Then we'll just give a little peek and see where we're at. Peeking at this on the fire, we're gonna bring it over here because it's really hot over there. I don't think it's done yet, but I just want to see. Ooh, we're starting to toast. See that? It's looking mighty nice. Let's spray some more on here. remember, the trick here is to make sure it's super greased, because if it is not super greased, oh wait, I'm gonna check this side too. If it's not super greased, it's gonna stick. If it sticks, you will not be happy with the outcome. All right, it's just barely starting to toast, so we definitely want to give it a little bit more time. So we're going back over. All right, I'm gonna give it like another 2 minutes per side, and then we'll come back again. Already? No. Okay, so it's been like 10 minutes total, I'd say. If you do it in the coals, it will take much, much less time, but the problem is you might find if you do it in the coals, the outside will get charred, the inside will not be completely done, so it might be worth it to take a little bit more time. Ooh, yeah, looky at that. So now, I'm gonna tip it like a that, and got these things in my way. Going to ow, hot, very hot. Ooh. Cheese is melted. All right, ow. 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 Oh, I got a pepperoni hanging out. Check that. Ow. I want to take a bite. You know how I feel about the first bite. Pretty sure that's lava. So. It's fantastic. I'm thinking, I don't know if it needs more sauce or more seasonings. Maybe more seasonings, maybe oregano, but I have Italian seasoning, which probably has oregano in it. So maybe a little more garlic salt, because you know I like things real salty, but all in all, this is fantastic. Super easy, but very messy. So definitely recommend doing it when you're out camping or not worried about being clean. Hey Autumn, what should our viewers do? You gotta say it louder. Like this video and subscribe to Oopy Soup Kitchen.